you set your phone down?
No, I'm not setting my phone down.
You cannot record.
This is my First Amendment right.
What's your First Amendment right?
To record you guys while you guys are doing whatever you guys are doing.
Right. Do not make me take out that phone, because I can, legally.
You're literally trying to blind me right now what you're doing.
I'm not your phone.
Is that very professional?
No, it's not. But
are you acting professional right now?
Professional?
I can record you guys in the course of your duties.
Record.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by viewers JVR and Carr. On December 1st of 2021, the two had rented a vehicle and were traveling for work in Texas. During their travels, they had to pass through the Cerritos U.S. Customs and Border Protection Inspection Station checkpoint. When they were stopped, the agent asked them to pop the trunk, but because the vehicle was a rental, JVR was unaware of how to open it. He gave the keys to the agent to open it himself, but the agent was unable to figure it out either. During this time, a K9 was brought around the vehicle to sniff, and that is when Carr begins recording.
No.
No? Okay, then we'll put you over there, but my feelings allergic to the back.
It's a rental.
Okay, well, doesn't matter. It's a rental. I don't care if you call it. I don't care what it is. My dog, the only thing I know is my dog's allergic to the trunk.
Alright.
That's the only thing I know, okay? So I need to park over there.
Okay, well, do whatever y'all gotta do, but I ain't getting off the vehicle.
As we've covered before many times on the channel, this entire stop is free of reasonable suspicion or probable cause. The Fourth Amendment of the US Constitution protects people from random and arbitrary stops and searches, such as the one we're witnessing now. However, the federal government has given the CBP the authority to conduct warrantless stops within 100 miles of the US border. The problem is that roughly 2/3 of the citizens of the United States live within 100 miles of a border, giving Border Patrol agents the power to stop, search, and potentially seize almost 65% of the population for absolutely no reason at all. Aside from how violating this stop is, the agents are also using K9s to conduct free air sniffs around the vehicle. These sniffs are supposedly to detect undocumented immigrants and controlled substances. However, multiple studies have found that these dogs have an extremely high rate of error. In fact, they are wrong 50% of the time. Other reports found certified dogs that were wrong up to 80% of the time. But for some reason, in 2013, the Supreme Court unanimously ruled that the alerts the dogs provide can be used as probable cause as long as the dog is certified, regardless of the reputation of the certifying agency. Besides the fact that these stops clearly violate the Fourth Amendment, and that these unreliable dogs can be used, I am highly curious how a dog can determine the difference between an undocumented and documented person. Unfortunately for JVR and Carr, these agents will initiate violent force if they refuse to comply. They pull forward to the next inspection station. A few minutes pass and multiple agents appear to search the vehicle.
How you doing, sir?
I'm fine.
They tell you why you got secondary over here?
Nah, I don't answer questions anymore, man.
Say it again?
You guys go ahead and do whatever you gotta do, man.
Alright, do me a favor, turn off the vehicle for me, put the keys on the dash.
I don't have the keys. I don't have the keys, man.
They took them.
Turn off the vehicle for me. Let's step out of the vehicle.
Excuse me?
Alerted to the vehicle, so there's probable cause to search your vehicle.
You signaled
Alright,
it.
well, I don't consent to any illegal searches or seizures of my personal property, bro, so y'all better not touch me, alright? No, I understand, but y'all better not touch me or anything. You guys can do whatever y'all gotta do.
I'm gonna explain to you everything once you get out. I'm gonna explain everything I'm gonna do, okay?
Excuse
I'm
me?
gonna tell you the legality of everything once you get out, okay?
Okay, so am I being detained at this point?
Yes, you are, sir.
For what cause?
Because the dog alerts to the vehicle, which gives us probable cause to search the vehicle and everything inside. Once you get out, I'll explain to you the rest, okay? Yes?
No.
No?
No, I refuse, man. I don't consent to any illegal
You
searches
don't
or
have to
seizures of my
consent, sir. I'm
personal
telling you the
property,
reason
bro.
why you're gonna get out.
Bro, is this a drug enforcement checkpoint or is this an immigration checkpoint? Because I've answered your immigration checkpoint.
So when the dog
So
alerts,
then what are you looking for?
I'm saying the dog alerts.
What are you looking for?
You signaled the dog.
You signaled the dog, bro. What are you looking
So
for?
I'm not a dog. I'm not a K9.
Are you looking for drugs or are you looking for
I
immigration?
cannot speak
Because
dogs.
I've answered your immigration
Step out.
questions.
Step out, please.
I don't consent, bro.
What's your name and
What's your
ID?
name, bro?
Mancias.
Alfredo Mancias. And what's your name?
Yeah.
Okay, but you're gonna step out first, right?
No,
Right now,
supervisor.
I don't feel safe.
We asked.
I want you to
We
supervise
don't
your
feel
own
safe
bro.
either.
Is he is? Where can he introduce himself, please? Can he introduce himself? Are you the supervisor of these officers, sir? Okay, well, right now I'm invoking all my rights. I don't consent to any illegal searches or seizures. So if I would just like for you to be present while they're doing whatever they're doing, and so that nobody molests me or touches me or anything or any type of way or violates me in any type of way. All right, I am going to get off on my own free will, so you guys can go ahead and do whatever you got to do.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm gonna report the
Okay, we'll stand by, stand by. Just for your safety and my safety, I'm gonna give. It's okay. I'm gonna give you a
You guys
frisk.
can go
It's called a
ahead and
frisk.
pat down.
So you know how a frisk is? Yeah, it's called.
I understand. You go ahead and step out too, and you set your phone down.
No, I'm not setting my phone
Set your
down.
phone down. Because y'all are being detained. Set it in the ground.
My phone's right in my pocket, ma'am.
Please. Okay, I'll just take it out of your pocket. Turn around. Put your hands on the back of the top of the car.
I do not consent to any searches or seizures on my property.
Well, that's okay. You don't have to consent.
The audio records for about 3 minutes while in Carr's pocket, during which the Border Patrol agents search both men, and the driver begins recording on his own device.
You know, fighting court, bro, because I don't know why you guys
okay,
are saying this shit is a learning. It's a rental. I'm traveling right
That's
now.
what I'm saying. The dog's alerting to the vehicle, which is.
Well, go ahead and do whatever y'all guys are gonna do, man, so I can
Okay.
get on my way, because I got somewhere I gotta be.
So just leave the phone in there, sir?
I'm not leaving the phone, bro. I'm recording. Are you denying me my right to record you guys' interaction?
You cannot record.
This is my First Amendment right.
What's your First Amendment right?
To record you guys while you guys are doing whatever you guys are doing.
If you
I'm
can,
gonna go stand over there.
Sir, if you want to say that it's a government facility, sir.
No, it's not.
Yes,
Yes,
it is,
it's a
sir.
government facility, yes, so it's funded by tax
You
dollars.
can't. It doesn't matter.
I'm not a recorder.
So regardless of how it's funded, your rights are your rights, right?
You guys
What is
can
your
go ahead and
First
do whatever you
Amendment right?
guys
What is
gotta
your First
do.
Amendment right?
Please start your job.
Oh, great.
Please. Sergeant, please, if you can be with me.
He's not a sergeant, sir. He's a
Excuse me?
supervisor.
He's a supervisor. Well, he's
Correct.
your supervisor.
Exactly.
Please back them off and I'll go with you. Because this is bull, bro. It's a rental. And I don't know why you're saying that it's alerted. It's a rental. Sir, it is my right to record.
No, it's not your right to be.
Yes.
You need to be.
It is my right to record you guys, what you guys are doing.
I'm here to make sure.
I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not doing anything illegal.
But you need
I'm
to
simply
be inside
traveling from
for
point A
your
to
own
point B.
safety. I need you to be inside for your own safety.
So many officers, ain't I safe right now?
No,
Am I not safe?
If the dog gets loose and
Am
he
I not
bites
safe
you-
with you guys here?
Yes,
So
of
then
course.
what's
so
wrong?
There's no reason for you to record. You cannot record.
There's absolutely
Right
a
now,
lot of
we're
reason for me to
asking,
record
sir,
because you guys are
right
taking me
now,
out,
we are
illegal
asking
detaining me
you
right now.
Yes, we are detained. So right now,
Illegally.
legally.
Illegally.
No, legally.
Illegally.
You can
Because
look it
what
up.
did the dog
You can look
alert
it
to? If you guys find nothing,
You don't find anything. That's.
well then what did the dog alert to?
I don't know. The dog. Right now, if you want to talk to Kieran, you can talk to him. But right now, sir, do not make me take out that phone because I can legally. You cannot record while you're here. I'm gonna put you in there.
Sir, it is my First Amendment right to record you guys in the course of your duties.
Your First Amendment right.
Yes,
It's
it
not your
is.
First Amendment. Repeat
The only
your First
reason why-
Amendment right. What is your First Amendment right?
The right to
Repeat it.
record you guys.
No, that's not the right.
The freedom of press. Freedom of press. That's what it is.
Okay, that's
the
not
free
your
press.
First Amendment
Free
right.
press. Yes, it is.
Okay, so what is your press? Are you press? You're not the press.
You don't need press credentials first. The First Amendment.
Do you
applies
have
to
any
all.
press credentials?
You don't need them.
You don't
Who
need
makes them?
Huh?
Who makes them?
The press, the people that
You don't need them.
work-
The Constitution.
Okay,
Constitution
so while
gives
you're
me
right
the
now,
right to do this.
it is an investigation. It is a.
That's why I'm
ongoing
recording.
investigation. You cannot record.
Yes, I can.
Despite the Supreme Court allowing it, it's no wonder that these agents willfully violate the Fourth Amendment when they don't understand the very first. This agent doesn't seem to understand that the press is to serve the governed, not the government, and that all citizens are press. At this point, the supervising agent Trevino can't help himself and shows just how unprofessional and rude he can be.
You guys are in the course. I can record you guys in the course of your duties.
Record.
Can you please give me 6 feet? Aren't you guys following COVID protocols? Thank you. None of you guys are wearing masks around me right now. And that's illegal too.
What is legal? Tell me.
What you're doing right now, you're literally trying to blind me right now, what you're doing.
Blinding, I'm not your phone.
Like, I'm literally trying to record you guys in the course of your duties and look what you're doing. Is that very professional?
No, it's not. But
Are you
you're
acting
acting-
professional?
Are you
right now?
acting professional?
Yeah.
I've been
I'm
super
asserting my
cordial.
rights,
I've
bro.
been cordial with you, correct?
You guys took me off on something
I've
bullshit. It's a
cordial.
rental.
No. I gave
I'm
you
being
everything
very
legality
cordial
of
with
what
you,
I'm
and I
doing.
am not speaking to you out of tone. You guys are abusing your authority right now.
Because look how you're acting. You're shaking.
Sir,
because
you're
you know
abusing your
not. Why
authority.
are you shaking right now?
Because I'm surrounded by 1, 2, 3, 4,
So, okay.
5.
You want to talk to me alone? We can talk to you alone. I can explain.
I don't want to talk to you now. I want to be near your supervisor because right now he's your supervisor.
You say you feel unprotected by us.
Hell yeah, because the more cops there are, the greater the violence.
Exactly. So you want to be in the
No,
by
menos,
yourself.
even more.
So right now, for our protection for yourself, we're gonna be here. Okay.
Okay, but can you guys give me 6 feet, please?
The agents back off and allow him to film while shining the light into the camera. The search continues for a few minutes more, and as it produces nothing, JVR and Karl are free to go.
Got this officer over here shining the light in my face. You guys are done?
We're done.
Can I have the keys?
Right there on top.
Excuse me, can I have all your names and badge numbers, please? Yeah, but none of y'all have identified yourselves to me. Trevino, that's your name? Sir, what is your name? Yeah, he did. So that's recorded, but I want the sergeant's name as well, because he was the one that was being rude and disrespectful before I go. Wasn't he just laughing at my brother right now? Does it matter? He should always be professional.
Exactly, yeah.
So please, can I have his name?
There's a supervisor right there.
No, I want his supervisor. I want his name. So you're the supervisor, so you guys lied to me.
No, there's two supervisors.
Well, then I want his name.
Okay, boss.
Can I get it from him?
No.
Boss. What's his first name? Because there's so many boss. What's his first name?
If you have any kind of a complaint,
I do have a complaint, sir. What's his first name so I can properly identify him?
That's fine. 956-289-4800. That's the sector. You can contact them. They'll give you every information that they're going to be allowed to give you.
It is truly unfortunate that we have an unelected Supreme Court with lifelong appointments that continuously make rulings that infringe on the rights of the people. However, the political head is only as strong as the enforcement arm, and as we see on a daily basis, there are plenty of order followers that will do their bidding, no matter how unjust. I'd like to extend a huge thanks to JVR and Karl for submitting this video. They don't have a channel for me to refer you to, so if you'd like to share your thoughts, leave them a comment down below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.